Good morning, class 8. As we have completed our 40 marks syllabus, so in this lecture we will do the revision work. Okay, open your revision notebook so we can start doing our revision work. So you can open your English first notebook as well. If you are not having a separate revision notebook, you can do your revision in your English first notebook as well. Okay, now first of all write down the date over there. That is today's date, that is 5th August 2020. Okay. Now we will do the revision work of English first. Okay. Open your English first notebook, or if you are having your revision notebook, so you can do this work in your revision notebook as well. No issue with that. Okay. Now, first of all, write down the question, write the meaning of the following words. Okay, write the meaning of the following words. A1, write Uber. Second, B1, you can write. Third one, D1, okay. First of all, write down these meanings. So I hope you have written this. Now next one is and E1 is so these are the word meaning for the revision. Okay, don't think that the same word meaning will come in exam. So we will learn on this. Some other meaning can also come from the mock test and from the revision work. So you have to work very hard and you have to learn all the meanings that are given in your chapter. Only 2 chapters and 1 poem are coming. So you can learn all the word meanings very well. Now next one is answer the following questions. Okay. First of all, write down the words that are there in question number 1. After that, we will continue with answer the following questions. So 5 words are there. Now we will write down the questions. Define Sophia. So you have to write about Sophia in your own words. Okay. This is given on page number 34 and 35. So you can just write down the points from there. Okay. At least you have to write 4 points. 4 points should be there. You can write this answer in points and at least 4 points should be there. Okay. Next one is write the summary. Write the summary of the poem The Microbe. So I have given the summary to you. So you have to learn the summary and summary will come in exam for sure. So in this revision, I have also given the same question. Write the summary of the poem The Microbe. Now Third question is, why were Keshwan and Uni short? So first of all, copy this. After that, I will raise a blackboard and I will write more questions over there. Note down these questions in your revision notebook, or you can note down this in the rough notebook as well. I hope you will understand all these words. I hope you have done that. Now I will raise the blackboard. Explain about self-driving. Explain about self-driving cars. Okay, you have to explain about self-driving car. This one is the D1. Now E1 is difference between an astronaut and a space tourist. Okay. Note down these two questions also. Now, next one is third question. Write the full form. Write the full form of A1 is AI and B1 is ISS. Okay. Note down these questions. Now fourth one. Complete the following lines. Complete the following lines. Okay. First one is Sophia popularity indicates the dash. Next one is then hands were sweating with nervousness because dash. Okay, note down these two, complete the lines. I hope you have done that. Now next one is fifth one. Our fifth question is read the following lines and answer the given questions. Okay, so next first one of this is minutes 20 minutes later, the three boys set off at a fast pace. Okay, set off the fast pace. Questions are: name the three boys. Okay. Second one, make sentence of pace. Third one, write the name of the chapter. Fourth one, write the author name of the chapter. Okay, note down this question. So this all about the revision work. Okay, you have written all the questions for the revision. Now you have to do this revision work in your English first notebook, or you can do it in English revision notebook. Wherever you want to do, you can do that, and you have to learn that. And if you are having any doubt in any of the question, you can go to the student app and you can raise your doubt from there. Okay, I have given so many questions to you, so you have to do that. And if doubt is there in any of these questions, so you can ask from me. You can go to the student app. In the doubt section, you can raise your doubt. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.